Fighter jets have inspired since World War II, but becoming a military pilot requires exceptional physical fitness, reflexes, and intelligence. However, civilians can find a workaround by purchasing retired, less advanced fighter jets. While owning one still demands licenses, a hangar, jet fuel, and maintenance, it's more attainable than many realize. We found affordable fighter jets available for civilians, offering unparalleled speed compared to any road vehicle. Number 11. North American F-86 Sabre. The F-86 Sabre indisputably ranks among the most pivotal and celebrated fighter jets in global history. This remarkable aircraft pioneered the integration of swept-wing technology, propelling it to an impressive maximum speed of 650 miles per hour. This technological advantage was a key contributor to its extraordinary 10-to-1 kill-to-loss ratio during the Korean War. For an accessible sum of $125,000, enthusiasts can acquire one of these legendary jets in a flight-ready state, adorned with the iconic USAF Skyblazers airshow team livery. This investment not only secures a tangible piece of aviation history, but also a high-performance jet featuring superior handling, potent turbojet engines capable of delivering up to 9,000 pounds of thrust, and a formidable armament suite. Furthermore, the F-86 showcases its high-altitude capabilities by reaching heights of up to 50,000 feet, adding to its impressive list of attributes. Number 10. Mikoyan-Gurevich MiG-21. For an extended period, the MiG-21 stood as the cornerstone jet fighter within the military forces of the Eastern Bloc throughout the Cold War era. Despite its seemingly straightforward design, this aircraft is renowned for its remarkable capability to achieve supersonic speeds with ease. Embodying the essence of a Russian proverb, quantity is quality in itself, Mikoyan engineered the MiG-21 to be economically viable, resulting in a substantial surplus of these jets post-Cold War. Enthusiasts with a vision for restoration can seize the opportunity to own a piece of history by acquiring a MiG-21 in need of refurbishment, stationed in a museum, for a surprisingly modest sum of $40,000. Alternatively, for those eager to bypass the restoration process, a MiG-21 in flight-ready condition can be yours for $185,000. However, it's crucial to weigh the investment against the aircraft's historic and technical significance. The Mikoyan-Gurevich MiG-21 distinguishes itself as one of the premier second-generation fighter jets, celebrated for its role as an expert interceptor with the ability to maintain Mach 2 speeds, positioning it among the fastest jets of its time. Number 9. Mikoyan-Gurevich MiG-15. The MiG-15, emerging as the formidable counterpart to the F-86 Sabre, marked the Soviet Union's bold stride into the modern era of jet-powered aviation. It matched the American Sabre in performance, showcasing remarkable technological advancements for its time, including a pressurized cockpit, a swept-wing design for enhanced aerodynamics, and an ejection seat for pilot safety. Just as iconic and exhilarating as the Sabre, the MiG-15 holds its place in history with pride. An abundance of these historic jets remains in surplus, a testament to their once massive production. Due to their economical manufacturing process, acquiring a MiG-15 in flying condition is surprisingly accessible, with prices starting at $85,000. This offer even includes a spare engine, extending the aircraft's operational life and ensuring its continued legacy in the skies. The Mikoyan-Gurevich MiG-15 is renowned for its ability to reach speeds up to 668 miles per hour. This impressive performance is attributed to its aerodynamic design, featuring a harmonious integration of the tail fin, swept wings, and horizontal stabilizers. Together, these elements contribute to the MiG-15's legendary status, making it a coveted piece for collectors and aviation enthusiasts alike, eager to experience a slice of aviation history firsthand. Number 8. Lockheed F-104 Starfighter. The F-104 Starfighter, endearingly referred to as the missile with a man in it, for its sleek, aerodynamic design, experienced a mix of admiration and criticism during its tenure as a Cold War interceptor. Renowned for its capacity to breach the sound barrier twice over, the F-104 carved a unique place for itself in aviation history. With its retirement, These iconic jets have occasionally been made available for sale, sparking interest among collectors and aviation enthusiasts. In terms of safety, the Starfighter showed a notable improvement over its predecessor, the Sabre, marking a step forward in the evolution of jet safety and engineering. For those looking to own a piece of this remarkable history, acquiring an F-104 with a functional engine and necessary parts demands a significant investment of $325,000. However, for enthusiasts who are content with owning a piece of history as a conversation-starting display piece, an engineless model of the Starfighter was listed for approximately $30,000 in 2016. This range of options provides a unique opportunity for individuals to engage with a pivotal piece of Cold War aerospace history, whether as a fully functional aircraft or as an impressive artifact of the era's technological advancements. Number 7. Northrop T-38 Talon. Since 1961, the T-38 Talon, the world's inaugural jet trainer capable of surpassing the speed of sound, has played a crucial role in preparing generations of US Air Force pilots for the demands of flying modern fighter jets. Even as many T-38s continue to serve, their numbers are gradually diminishing due to the fleet's aging nature, leading to the availability of restoration-ready models on the market. For enthusiasts looking to own a piece of aviation history, a T-38 requiring 75% completion towards restoration can be acquired for around $250,000. Alternatively, a fully restored and flight-ready T-38 commands a price of $800,000, offering a complete package for the serious collector. The T-38 boasts significant swept wings and a tricycle-type landing gear, including a steering system for the nose wheel, enhancing its aerodynamic efficiency and handling on the ground. Powering this iconic jet are two General Electric J85 GE5 turbojet engines equipped with afterburners, providing up to 2,900 pounds of thrust. This combination of features makes the T-38 Talon not just a pivotal tool in pilot training, but also a marvel of aviation engineering. Number 6. Canadair CT-133 Silver Star. The Lockheed F-80 Shooting Star, unveiled at the twilight of World War II, marked a pivotal moment in aviation history as a groundbreaking fighter jet. In a unique collaboration, Canadair, under license in Canada, further refined this innovative design to produce the Silver Star, a two-seat variant that incorporated advancements over its predecessor. Though it may not match the top speeds and rapid acceleration of its swept-wing successors, such as the F-86 Sabre, the Silver Star commands its own place in the annals of aviation history. Available for $159,000, this aircraft offers enthusiasts and collectors the rare opportunity to own a significant piece of the aviation legacy. Beyond its historical value, the Silver Star promises an exhilarating flying experience. Its performance, while reflective of its era, still delivers a rush that resonates with the thrill of early jet-powered flight. For those captivated by the evolution of military aviation, or simply seeking the unique experience of piloting a piece of history, the Silver Star presents an accessible entry into a bygone era of aerial innovation. Number 5. Folland Gnat. The Folland Gnat, a British gem from the 1950s, carved its niche as a straightforward and agile jet trainer, guiding countless pilots through the intricacies of flying fighter jets. Its reputation soared as it became the aircraft of choice for the renowned Red Arrow's display team, serving with distinction until 1979. Presently, aviation enthusiasts and collectors have the chance to own this piece of aviation history, as a Folland Gnat is on the market for $359,000. This particular model is nearly ready to take to the skies, requiring only an annual inspection to begin its aerial adventures. Number 4. Fouga Magister. The Fouga Magister, akin to the Folland Gnat, represents a classic and streamlined vintage jet, specifically designed to skillfully train a new generation of fighter pilots. Similar to the Gnat, it also proudly performed in a ceremonial capacity, serving as the chosen aircraft for its nation's acclaimed aerial display team, the Patrouille de France. Known for its distinctive and somewhat eccentric appearance, the Magister is currently on the market for the attractive price of $95,750. This particular model boasts both a condition that is ready for flight and is described as outstanding in its current listing. While its primary role was educational, guiding pilots through the nuances of military aviation, the Fouga Magister wasn't confined to peaceful skies. It proved its mettle in combat, notably during the Six-Day War in 1967, where it was deployed in ground attack missions, further testament to its versatility and robustness as a military aircraft. Number 3. Aero L-39 Albatross. The L-39 Albatross, a hallmark of Soviet aviation ingenuity, began its distinguished service in 1971, quickly proving itself as a versatile jet trainer while also fulfilling ground attack duties. Manufactured in significant numbers to meet the demands of Soviet and Allied forces, the L-39 cemented its status as a robust and reliable aircraft, contributing to its widespread availability on the market today. The aircraft's legacy continues, with a substantial number of L-39s finding new lives beyond their original military service. Both Eastern European surplus stocks and North American collectors contribute to the L-39's popularity among civil aviation enthusiasts, making it one of the most sought-after ex-military jets for private ownership. For those looking to experience the thrill of piloting a piece of Cold War aviation history, a flight-ready L-39 Albatross can be acquired for approximately $325,000. This investment offers the unique opportunity to take the controls of an aircraft celebrated for its performance and agility. Powered by a single engine and designed to accommodate a crew of 2, the L-39 boasts a top speed of around 470 mph, blending speed with the capability for advanced training and light attack missions. The Aero L-39 Albatross stands as a testament to the engineering prowess of its era, offering both collectors and flying enthusiasts a chance to own a piece of aviation history that continues to inspire and excite. Number 2. Aero L-29 Delphin. Before the advent of the L-39 Albatross, its forerunner, the L-29 Delphin, made its mark as a premier jet trainer starting in 1963. Crafted with precision in Czechoslovakia, over 3,600 units of the L-29 were produced, each designed to equip new fighter pilots with the skills needed to dominate the skies. The L-29's widespread production and cost-effectiveness have made it an attractive option for private collectors and aviation enthusiasts alike, mirroring the popularity of its successor, the L-39, in the realm of civilian ownership of ex-military jets. For those looking to immerse themselves in the world of vintage military aviation, acquiring an L-29 in flying condition is remarkably accessible, with prices starting at just $45,000. This makes joining the ranks of private jet owners both achievable and enticing. In NATO terminology, the L-29 is affectionately known as Maya, highlighting its significance as Czechoslovakia's first locally designed jet aircraft. Its production, running from 1963 to 1974, not only set a high standard for training aircraft, but also paved the way for future innovations in military aviation training. Number 1. Focke-Wulf FW-190. During World War II, the Focke-Wulf FW-190 stood as a cornerstone of German aerial combat, working in tandem with the equally famed Messerschmitt Bf-109 to unleash destruction across battlefields. Powered by the formidable BMW 801, a 4.2-litre air-cooled twin-row 14-cylinder radial engine, the FW-190 distinguished itself across a variety of roles. Its versatility allowed it to excel not only as a fighter bomber and ground attack aircraft, but also as an effective day fighter. While occasionally pressed into service as a night fighter, such missions were not where its strengths were best utilised. Making its combat debut in 1941, the FW-190 demonstrated formidable capabilities that would see it remain in operation until 1949. Today, a restored FW-190 commands a price of $650,000, reflecting its historical significance and the complexity involved in its restoration. Naturally, an unrestored Focke-Wulf FW-190 would be available at a lower price point, offering collectors and aviation enthusiasts the unique opportunity to own a piece of World War II aviation history, with the potential to bring it back to its former glory. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our latest posts. Thank you for your support.